Thanks a lot, Eric. The polls might be closed, but tracking Nicole is definitely open. So as it's approaching Florida's East Coast, making its way over from the Bahamas.
Yeah, let's go ahead and bring in certified meteorologist Katie Walsh, tracking our other top story for the night. And Katie, what kind of impact can we have on our area? Hopefully not much, because we are still recovering.
Thankfully, the brunt of the storm will actually be farther off toward our north. Nonetheless, any impact here, not welcome, certainly not needed. On a typical season, we would probably scoff at a storm like this, but because so many of us are still undergoing the cleanup effort, we still have tarps on our roofs, for example. We don't need 1 to 3 inches of rain, but that is what we're facing. Also the potential for some tropical storm force winds. First, let me bring you the latest as of 10 o'clock from the National Hurricane Center. And by the way, because daylight saving time ended, you'll notice our cones coming in now at 4 a.m., 4 p.m., and 10 a.m., 10 p.m. So this is the very latest from the National Hurricane Center. It has strengthened. Now sustained winds of 70 miles per hour, gust to 85. Central pressure starting to drop. Forecast to make landfall in the Bahamas tomorrow as a Category 1 hurricane. Thereafter, we are anticipating a landfall as a Category 1, likely close to the Fort Pierce area. Between Jupiter and Fort Pierce is where that current center line is currently tracking. That's where those outer rain bands are already starting to move on shore, with a couple of those outer rain bands now starting to move into parts of Glades County. Coming up, we'll take a closer look at when we can expect more of this rainfall to be building in across southwest Florida. Plus, we'll time out when the worst of the winds will arrive where you live.